Hey guys and gals, we're going to talk about that nasty heater core job, the one you've been putting off for 3 winters. That's right, you're freezing your butt every winter long because you ain't got the nerve to go in there and change that freaking heater core. We've got the heater core you need. If you feel adventurous, this is a nice job for you. It takes 2 or 3 days. I'm telling you, some are easy, some are hard. GM, easiest ones to do. Audi, pure hell. Get ready for bleeding knuckles. Okay, the radiator heater core typically you'll find at the back of the firewall into the engine compartment. Some of the symptoms to see when you have a rotten radiator core is either antifreeze leaking inside the cabin of the car itself, or when you put defrost on, the windshield fills up with fog and you can smell that sweet smell of antifreeze, the sweet smell of antifreeze. Oh yeah, that adds up to a lot of money. Anyways, we can save you a ton of money. We got that heater core you need right here at partsauto.com. Come on, order that part, get off your butt and change it yourself. That's right, save yourself $600.
The part you need.